Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathPractdice 139.
MathPractdice number 139. Today we're going to do a special lecture because they're giving you some really challenging problems in Beast Academy today.
Yeah.
So I want to make sure we go through and review them. First we have to review our fives. So 75 squared equals what? Give me your scared face. 75 squared. Now we've talked about how to square numbers that end in a 5, right?
Yeah.
So we write this as 70 plus 5. Now normally we would do this with Duplo blocks, but we just don't have this many laying around. Plus nobody wants us to watch us go make a square of 70, right?
No.
No. So we draw our little square that's 70 plus 5, like this. So here's 70 and 5. 70, 70, 70, 5, 70, 5, 5, 5, 5, 70. And so we say 75 squared. This is a square that's 75 on each side, right?
Yeah.
So 75 squared equals 70 squared. Do you know what 70 squared is?
Well, it's 4,900.
Very good. 4,900. It's 7 squared with 2 zeros.
Yeah.
Then we have to add this rectangle. What's the area of this rectangle?
That is 70 times 5.
Okay, 70 times 5. That's that rectangle. What's the area of this rectangle?
That's 70 times 5 also.
70 times 5. And what's the area of this rectangle?
25.
25. Awesome. So we got 4,900. Oops. Make one of those a 9. 4,900 plus 70 times 5, and 70 times 5 is the same as 70 times 10, which is?
Which is 700.
700. Yay! 4,900 plus 700 plus 25. Now what is 4,900 plus 700?
Well, 9 plus 7 is 16. So that's 1,600.
Well, it's 4,900 plus 700.
Well,
You're right. 900 plus 700 is 1,600. So what's 4,900 plus 700?
5,600.
5,600
Plus
25. So we get
5,625.
5,625. Yay! So 75 squared we can figure out with our square idea. We can get 5,625. But now we're in a slightly different section of Beast Academy now, and we're talking about some of the stuff we did yesterday. Do you remember yesterday?
Yeah.
Like it was yesterday?
Yeah.
All right. So yesterday we talked about this fun little formula. I'll use n's. N minus 1 times n plus 1 equals n squared minus 1. So for example, 9 times 11. Well, if n minus 1 is 9, what's n?
10.
If n plus 1 is 11, what's n?
10.
Okay, so we can use our formula. This is 10 squared minus 1. What's 10 squared?
Is 100. 100 minus 1 is 99.
99. Is 9 times 11 99?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now here's what they're talking about at Beast Academy today. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. They're going to ask us what is 74 times 76. Give me your scared face. Ah! Okay, 74 times 76. Well, let's see. If n minus 1 is 74, what's n?
Well, it's 75.
75. And if n plus 1 is 76, what's n?
75.
Aha, so we can use our formula, right?
Yeah.
That we figured out by drawing some other squares yesterday. So we have 74 times 76 is 75 squared minus 1. Do we know how to figure out 75 squared?
It's 5,625 minus 1, 5,624.
Right, so I know that we did it. So how do I figure out what 75 squared is?
Well, you draw that's the big square.
We draw our squares. That's why I did that first. So we know what this is. This is 5,625 minus 1, which is 5,624. Yay! Wow. So 74 times 76 is 5,624. And we didn't even really have to do any multiplying.
No.
That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So give me your scared face. Ah! Should we have used our scared face for this?
No.
No, we wasted our scared face. Alright, good job, sweetie.